All right, leaders, innovators, let's talk. We're diving into one of the most critical missions for any organization right now: how to assemble your AI team. I know, the cost can seem super complex, but we're going to break it all down. Think of this as your strategic briefing on how to harness this incredible power. So let's just get right to it. The stakes could not be higher. According to the global tech research firm ISG, falling behind on technology isn't just about losing a competitive edge anymore. No, they're calling it an existential risk. The pressure to modernize, to integrate AI, it's huge. This is not just about efficiency anymore, it's literally about survival.
But where do you even start? ISG calls AI pricing a black box, and honestly, for good reason. You're facing this whole universe of choices, and every single one has its own cryptic cost structure. So as a leader, what's your move? How do you assemble a team of AI capabilities without completely blowing your budget?
Okay, let's try to reframe the problem. Instead of getting bogged down in confusing pricing plans, I want you to think about recruiting superheroes. That's right. Each AI model, each pricing structure, it's like a hero with a unique set of powers, a specific cost, and a perfect mission. Your job is to be the Nick Fury of your organization and assemble the right team for the job. So your first two potential recruits represent two fundamentally different ways of thinking. On one side, you've got the on-demand mercenary. This is the hero you call on a pay-as-you-go basis for very specific missions. And on the other side, you've got the provisioned powerhouse, a hero whose power you reserve ahead of time, making sure they are always ready for your biggest, most consistent jobs. Now, what's really fascinating here is just how granular the costs are for this mercenary. Let's take Anthropic's Claude Haiku model. You're paying fractions of a penny for every 1,000 tokens. And tokens are basically just pieces of words the AI uses to think. This is absolutely perfect for unpredictable workloads or when you're just dipping your toes in. You only pay for what you use. But word of warning, if those missions start piling up, those little costs can add up really, really fast. And here we have the alternative. With the provisioned powerhouse, like Amazon's Titan Text Lite, you commit, and look what happens to the price. See that drop per hour when you sign up for 1 month, or even 6? A 6-month commitment can slash your hourly rate by nearly 30%. This is your hero for those predictable, high-volume tasks where you need guaranteed power and a stable bill every month.
But what if you need more than just one hero, right? What if you need a whole pre-assembled team with a range of skills and some kind of centralized command center? Well, that's where our third hero type comes into play: the team subscriber. This is like signing up for the Justice League or the Avengers on a monthly plan.
Let's pull up the dossier for Anthropic's Claude. For about $25 a month per user, you can get their team plan. But say you need some heavy hitters, coding powers, more advanced tools. You can upgrade to a premium seat for $150 a month. This model gives you predictable costs and a whole suite of tools built for collaboration, which is just perfect for getting your entire organization powered up. So now you know how to hire the heroes. But we've come to the biggest question of all. Do you recruit a proven hero right off the shelf, or do you try to create your own from scratch? This, my friends, is the origin story of your AI power. It's the classic build versus buy dilemma.
And just so we're clear, we're not talking about simple chatbots here. The heroes we're discussing are what we call agentic AI. These are autonomous systems. They don't just answer questions. No, they sense context. They orchestrate complex actions across all your software, and they learn as they go. They are, and I'm not exaggerating, the new operating layer for your entire enterprise. So the stakes for this decision are absolutely massive. So you want to build your own hero? Okay, get ready for a long, long origin story. According to the enterprise AI platform Icira, building a production-ready AI agent in-house, that typically takes 18 to 24 months. Think about that. That's 2 full years where your competitors could be deploying their own heroes and getting way ahead. Let's look at this slide because it really breaks it all down. Building gives you 100% customization, total control, and that's essential if that AI is your core competitive advantage. But buying gives you almost immediate deployment, proven performance, and way, way lower development risk. It really is a trade-off between total control and pure speed. And here is the other side of that build coin. The estimated 3-year total cost of ownership to build your own AI agent is over $8.3 million. And that's not just a random number. That includes salaries for top-tier AI talent, all the infrastructure, the GPUs, and the ongoing maintenance that, let's be honest,
most teams completely underestimate.
So it all comes down to this one crucial question. What role is this hero going to play in your story? Is the AI itself your secret sauce? A unique capability that nobody else can replicate? If the answer is yes, you might just have to build it. But for the 90% of other cases, standard stuff like IT support or HR requests, buying is almost always the smarter, faster, and cheaper way to go.
I know, this is a lot to take in. Choosing your heroes, deciding on an origin story. It's a huge strategic mission. But the good news is, you don't have to go it alone. You can call for backup. You can bring in AI consultants. Think of them as strategic advisors who can help you map out the battlefield and make the right call. But of course, these advisors have costs too, and the difference can be staggering. Just look at this chart. A senior US-based consultant can command rates of over $300 an hour. But then check out the alternative, nearshore specialists, say, in Latin America. They offer similar expertise. They're in the same time zone, but for a fraction of the cost. We're talking between $35 and $70 an hour. That's top-tier strategic thinking at a dramatically lower price point.
And you can bring these advisors on in different ways, depending on your mission. You could hire them hourly for maximum flexibility, on a fixed-price project for budget certainty, or even on a monthly retainer for continuous, ongoing strategic guidance. Okay, we've covered the heroes, the origin stories, and the advisors. Now it's time to bring it all together. It's time to build the strategy for your specific mission. Here is. This is your mission checklist. First, you have to define your competitive advantage. Is AI your secret sauce or a utility? Second, assess your technical capacity. Do you really have the team to support an in-house build? Third, calculate the opportunity cost of that 2-year delay. And finally, analyze the total cost and the risk over a 3-year horizon. And that brings us to what might be the most important point of all. There is no single best hero. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. The goal is for you to be a brilliant strategist, someone who assembles the right team, a mix of on-demand mercenaries, provisioned powerhouses, maybe a custom-built hero that perfectly aligns with your company's unique mission and goals. Look, your AI transformation isn't some distant possibility anymore. It is the mission, and it's right in front of you. The choice is yours, and the adventure is just getting started. So the only real question left is, who will be your first recruit?